guys, how you doing? I'm just exploring a new creek this morning. I haven't been up it yet. It's I fished parts of it, like from the land, but I've never been up it in the yak. It looks real good. Lots of mangroves and snags and that. So yeah, we'll see what we can get. Alright guys, we're up this new creek today and it is looking really good actually. Like lots of mangroves along the edges, eddies and so today we're running the light setup again. 6 pound leader, 5 pound braid, got a 1 to 2 kilo rod, and then I've shucked on this chase baits prawn. Looks quite good actually, so we'll see if it gets the nibs. There. The heck? Oh, what was that? Oh no! That was an instant hit. I think I might be able to squeeze. Yep. Big stuff. Oh. No, bro. You've got to be kidding. I'm sick of this. Oh, that had to have been something good. Oh, I'm on again. Oh, are you kidding? What? 2 fish, 2 casts. Like instantly. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, yep. Oh, it's a flatty. Get your back, mate. Bloody grumpy this morning. See ya. Oh, calling it big jack. Big jack. Big jack. Oh, what is that? Flatty again. Oh. Is that a brim? Kidding me? No way a brimmer ate that. Oh, it's a grunter. Oh, so spiny. Oh, no. Grumpy little bastard. They're all grumpy this morning. See ya. Oh, what was that? Oh. Oh. What the heck? What the heck? Holy sh... Alright. See ya, matey. Oh no, that's not good at all. Oh no. This is bad. We're not in a good spot to be doing this right now. Oh God. Nope, not happening, not today. Oh yeah, I sort of forgot to explain what I was doing, what I've been doing this morning, but it's pretty simple. I'm just casting it into all the little nooks and crannies and just slow rolling it out pretty much. Giving it a couple bounces here and there, but yeah, mainly just, I think because the tide was moving so fast, it was just easier to get more casts in if I could just slow roll it out. And it's been working, getting a few. He's alright. He's pretty solid actually. Oh, holy dooly. Wait, check that out. Prawn in the corner. Oh. Oh, what is that? That's big. That's real big. Was that a barra? Oi, was that a barra? What was that? I seen its head come out.
No!
It was massive. Oi, it was massive.
Can't, it was big.
It was actually huge.
Oh my God, can't.
I seen its head about to come out like it was gonna jump.
Can't.
It was either a big top. Oh! Oh my God, oh my God.
Are you filming?
Oh, I'm filming. Oh, what was that? Oh, they're still here, they're still here. Yeah, they must be tarping. I knew I had a hit before.
Bro, that was big.
Oh, he's coming. He's waking. I can see him. Oh! Oh, no, we've got to get one. That was big. Those both.
Can't,
Those.
whatever that was had some weight to it.
It was huge. I
Probably
seen it.
could be sweat so much on the
I seen it. I think.
Where was the boil?
Oh, I'm on. Oh. Oh, fatty. Bro. Look at that thing.
Did you just drop that down?
I just dropped it down, eh?
Let's see if there's another.
Bro, that's a chode.
Did you drop it all the way down?
Oh no. Mate. Spangle. That thing's a chunk.
No.
Look at that thing. See ya.